Today I'm going to teach you how to use a Smartsheet formula to check if a checkbox is checked. This is incredibly useful for tracking task completion, creating automated status updates, or building conditional workflows in your sheets. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the Smartsheet homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the sheets you need to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage where you can see all your existing files and sheets. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet where you want to apply the checkbox formula. This could be a project tracker, task list, or any sheet that uses checkboxes. Once you've found it, click on the sheet to open it. The sheet will load and you'll see all your current columns and data displayed. Now that your sheet is open, we need to create a new column where the formula results will appear. Click on the plus icon or right-click to insert a new column. Name this column something descriptive like status checker so you and your team understand what it's tracking. This label will help keep your sheet organized and easy to navigate. Next, click on the column type dropdown and select either text or number, depending on what output you want from your formula. This setting determines how Smartsheet will interpret and display the results of your formula. Now comes the main part. Click on the first cell directly under your newly created status checker column. This is where you'll input your IF formula. The formula structure you'll use is equals IF open parenthesis status equals done, comma not done, close parenthesis. However, you'll need to customize this formula to match your specific sheet where it says status in the formula. Replace that with whatever your actual checkbox column is named. For example, if your checkbox column is called task complete, you'd replace status with task complete. You can also personalize the text that appears based on the checkbox status. The formula currently shows done when checked and not done when unchecked, but you're free to change these to anything that suits your workflow, like complete and pending or yes and no. Just make sure to keep the quotation marks around your custom text. Once you've entered and customized your formula in that first cell, press enter to confirm it. The formula will execute and display the appropriate status based on whether the checkbox in that row is checked or not. To apply this formula to all the other rows in your sheet, simply click on the cell containing your formula, then grab the small square handle at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down through all the rows you want to include. Smartsheet will automatically copy the formula and adjust it for each row. And that's it. You've successfully set up a checkbox formula in Smartsheet that automatically updates status text based on whether boxes are checked. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.